Hi there, Michael Eskin here. I'm going to show you how you can use my version of the UltraBox Sample Extractor to create a custom instrument for Celtic Sounds or the ABC Transcription Tools from an existing .sf2 sound font file. So I'm currently on the Musical Artifacts website, and I've found an SF2 file that has a bunch of interesting bagpipe sounds in it, and I want to use that to create, let's say, a custom bombard for Celtic Sounds. So I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to download this SF2 file. So it's downloaded it. And now I'm going to run the UltraBox Sample Extractor, and I'm going to open up that SF2 file. And this is a list of all of the instruments that are in that sound font file. And the ones that I'm specifically interested in are these Bombard 74 and 86. And those in this particular SF2 file are the MIDI note numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on one of these. And you can see on the right here, it gives you information about the instrument, the sample rate, the length, and all that sort of thing. The other thing that this tool can do is that if there is a loop in the file, it can extend the total sample length to be as long as you like. So I'm going to change the sample length here to 6 seconds. So the samples that will come out will be 6 seconds long, and it'll use the loop that's built into the file. And I can preview it here. I can set the volume of the preview and click play. Okay, and then here's another one. This is 86. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just select these two, and I'm going to export these two WAV files as a zip. And you can see over here it saved them. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find that zip file, and I'm going to open it up, and you'll see there are two files in there now. And I'm going to rename these using the naming convention that's used for the custom instruments used for the ABC Transcription Tools and Celtic Sounds. I happen to know that this is a D, so I'm going to make that D5. And I'm going to make this one D6. Okay, so I have D5 and D6. So now I'm going to open up the custom instrument builder. And I'm going to choose those two files. And you can see here it's given you all of the notes that it imported, and then all of the notes that it will synthesize that go between those two. So here's the D5, and here's the D6. And it'll automatically generate all the ones in between. I'm actually going to expand the range of this, so I'm going to set the range expander. I'm going to say I actually want it to go as low as D4, and I'm going to change the default volume scale because it's kind of loud to 0.5. Okay. So with all that in place, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to export a custom instrument, and we'll just call this one Bombard. And it saved it. And now I'm going to run Celtic Sounds. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect my warble. And I'm going to load that custom instrument. So here it is, bombard.zip. And I think I will expand the pitch bend a little bit, and I'll go ahead and play it. These same custom instruments can be used in the ABC Transcription Tools, so I'll go ahead and launch that. And I'm just going to drag and drop that custom instrument on the work area here and assign it to one of the custom instruments. So I'll go ahead and add a tune here. Let's say Coolies, and I will change the instrument to custom 1, and I'm going to go ahead and strip the chords so we can just focus on the melody, and I'll go ahead and play it. So if you have any questions about using the UltraBox Sample Extractor or the Custom Instrument Builder, please feel free to send me a note on the Facebook group or in the groups.io group.